Yes. Good morning, children. So, today, in continuation with chapter 2, acid, bases, salts, we will do the next topic, next type of the reaction of acids and bases. That is, how do acids react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates? All of you know metal carbonates are the carbonates which are reacting with metals. For example, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. Similarly, hydrogen carbonates are also commonly known as bicarbonates. For example, you have done sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3, as you can see here in the reaction as well. So, how do they react with acid, children? That we will study. As you can see in the setup, what we have done, we have taken dilute hydrochloric acid and we add few pinch of solid, some pinch of sodium carbonate, pinch of sodium carbonate only. As soon as we add in the acid, the reaction start and we see the brisk effervescence of the gas is evolving here. Please note down here, brisk effervescence. What do you observe in the activity 2.5? The question is there, add 2 ml of dilute HCl to both the test tube. What do you observe? So write down, we observe brisk effervescence of the gas. In bracket, please write down carbon dioxide. The gas is carbon dioxide. Brisk effervescence. Brisk effervescence means slowly and gradually the bubbles are formed and the bubbles are coming upside because gases are lighter. So that's the simple thing. They come upward. So brisk effervescence of the gas, that is carbon dioxide, is observed in this reaction. Now what we have done, we have tightly packed it with the airtight cork and we have added here thistle funnel. What is the role of thistle funnel? That if we want to add some hydrochloric acid in it, carefully we can put in this test tube. In this setup, we can add it, right? So we have put this thistle funnel also, standard cork. You know what is the role of these to hold on these setup. And then the gas evolved a path through the second delivery tube to the another test tube, that is test tube B. Suppose this is test tube A, this is test tube B. What is there in the test tube B? Calcium hydroxide solution. What do you think? Why we have put calcium hydroxide or lime water in it? What do you think? The gas evolved with carbon dioxide. So what do you think? Why we are passing this gas to this calcium hydroxide? Harshita?
Ma'am, for the evolution of carbon dioxide.
Yes, very good. To test the gas evolved carbon dioxide, right? So this lime water or calcium hydroxide will turn to milky white, correct? It will turn to milky white, right? So when this gas is evolved, it is passed to lime water or calcium hydroxide, and when we see this lime water, this turns milky white. So this is understood that a carbon dioxide gas is evolved in the reaction. Now we see a salt is formed in the test tube A and the dilute solution is there. Therefore, the water is there. So aqueous solution is there. So let us summarize this reaction. We have taken two test tube as it has been told in the activity. In test tube A, we have taken pinch of sodium carbonate. In test tube B, we have taken sodium hydrogen carbonate. The common name is sodium bicarbonate. In both, we have added hydrochloric acid and we get the carbon dioxide gas evolved that we have seen brisk effervescence. And we have also got the salt, that is NaCl, because the reaction between the positively charged ion and negatively charged ion will take place and both of them will form the salt that you have learned in ninth class also, that positively charged ions react with negatively charged ions and forms a ionic compound. So this ionic compound formed is salt, that is NaCl. Leftover is water plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gets evaporate and hydrogen water is dissolved with water dissolves the salt formed in it, that is NaCl. So in this reaction, we summarize that, you can summarize here, then when metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid, put an arrow over here, that they form salt plus carbon dioxide. Write down in your book only, Anubhav. They form salt plus carbon dioxide plus water, right? So most of the acid, again, as I told you yesterday, it depends on the reactivity of acids, it depends upon the metal carbonates reactivity, that how the combination is take place, because in chemistry there are many exceptional cases. So in most of the cases, if acid react with metal carbonate, it forms the salt, carbon dioxide plus water. Suppose we have another acid. I ask you to write down this reaction with sulfuric acid in place of hydrochloric acid. If we use sulfuric acid, what will be the reaction? Think over it. Yes. So think over, if metal carbonates reacts with another strong acid, that is sulfuric acid, then what will be the product formed? Anyone? Anyone can tell me what will be the product formed?
Sodium sulfate plus H2O plus CO2.
Yes. What will be the product formed? Hashita,
Yes, ma'am.
think over it. Suppose we have sodium carbonate and we
Ma'am,
are
NaSO4
we are
plus
given to add sulfuric acid in it.
NaSO4 plus CO3.
Yes, very good. Na2SO4 will be formed, beta. Why Na2SO4 will be formed?
Ma'am, because of the valency of SO4 is 2.
Yes, because sodium will react with positively charged sodium ion is there. It will react with sulfuric acid, negatively charged ion, sulfate ion. So it will form Na2SO4 plus rest of the product will remain same. What will be the rest of the product, Rupendra? What will be the rest of the products?
CO3.
Ma'am, CO2.
Carbon dioxide plus
Ma'am, CO2 and
water.
H2O.
Carbon dioxide plus water.
Yes, ma'am.
Agree? Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down the products with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Tell me what will be the product formed now? What will be the product formed? Again, same product will be formed, beta. Because ionic formula change to nahi hoga. Because valency is not changing. Clear? Only the balancing of the equation will be changed. Only the balancing of the equation will be changed. You can see the reaction with hydrochloric acid. It is the same. The products are formed same. Clear to everyone? So what is the name of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
salt formed? Na2SO4. What is the name of this?
Sodium
Sodium
Sodium,
carbonate.
sulfate.
Sodium carbonate.
sodium sulfate.
Sodium
It is
sulfate.
sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate.
Yes, it is sodium sulfate, beta. Clear to everyone? Plus carbon dioxide plus water is formed. I hope you all have noted this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. So the reaction of metal carbonates, when they react with acid, they form metal salt, metallic salt plus carbon dioxide and water. Now children, what is the test for gas produced here? We have observed which gas have been evolved here with the brisk effervescence. Which gas was evolved? Carbon
Carbon
dioxide, right?
dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon dioxide
dioxide
gas was
gas.
evolved. So there are two tests for each gas evolved in carbon dioxide. In case of carbon dioxide, children, we are going to learn two tests, that is physical test as well as chemical test. Physical test of carbon dioxide is what? Do you know? What is the physical test? Junior classes में आपने किया था. Please write down here. Test of carbon dioxide. Number one, physical test. Write down in your notebook. There are two tests for the carbon dioxide gas evolved. Number one, physical test. Bring a burning matchstick near the test tube. Near the, here we have delivery tube, so you can write down near the delivery tube. Bring the burning matchstick or candle near the delivery tube. Candle will get extinguished. बुझ जाएगी, है ना? तो candle will get extinguished. That is also physical test, beta. But if I say that write down the chemical test, and sometime it is not written, right? So you have to understand that write the chemical test of it. That means you have to pass the gas through some of the chemical, and the changes will be observed, on the basis of which reaction you will say that this gas is carbon dioxide only, and you will confirm this. So what we are doing here, we are passing carbon dioxide gas through lime water. In chapter 1 also we have learned lime water was formed by adding water to that solution was used for whitewashing also. Water to
Calcium
calcium
carbonate.
oxide, calcium oxide, right? Quick lime, right? So that's way we get the lime water. This lime water, when we pass carbon dioxide through it, it forms white precipitate, and thus the formation of white precipitate, color change shows the reaction that there is formation of calcium carbonate due to the reaction of carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide, and white precipitate is formed. So the test is confirmed that the gas evolved in this reaction is carbon dioxide, right? Plus water is evolved here, right? Water is formed here. Now, on passing excess of carbon dioxide, we observe certain change here. On passing excess of carbon dioxide, because we don't know कि कब तक ये होगा, so it keep on passing on the gas. As soon as the excess of carbon dioxide is passed, you will immediately observe, within 2 minutes only, you will immediately observe that this precipitate, white precipitate, gets soluble in water. It dissolves in water because calcium salt is easily soluble in water. Yesterday also we have learned na strong bases. Calcium hydroxide हमने strong base कहा था. क्यों? Because calcium is soluble in water, completely soluble in water. So most of the calcium salts are, most of the time, are soluble in water, not completely. Calcium carbonate थोड़ा सा insoluble होता है, but here carbon dioxide is becoming completely soluble. So calcium carbonate, on passing excess of carbon dioxide, this calcium carbonate and water, they also mix very well due to the formation of a new product, that is calcium hydrogen carbonate, right? So this question comes in indirect question form, that also I will give you now in dictate. First you understand the concept. Now what is the white precipitate? What is the formation? We have learned here कि calcium carbonate is white precipitate. This white precipitate is similar to limestone, chalk powder, and marble. These are the different forms of calcium carbonate, and all metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with acid to form the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide, and water. So this is very important line. Please note down calcium carbonate. Different forms are limestone, chalk, and marble. Beauty of NCRT is that this type of the one line extra information becomes a question over there, and you think ये कहाँ से आ गया? Actually, the line is here. Limestone, chalk, and marble are different forms of calcium carbonate. Am I clear to everyone? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, suppose I asked you to write down the reaction of sodium carbonate with acetic acid. Think over it. How would you write? Yes. If I ask you to write down the reaction with acetic acid, children, what will be the reaction? Acetic acid with sodium carbonate. Yesterday also we have done reactions with acetic acid.
Ma'am, ethanoic acid.
Acetic acid when react with sodium carbonate, what will be formed? Yes, ethanoic acid beta.
Carbon dioxide.
Ethanoic
When it
acid.
reacts with sodium carbonate, it will form
With ethanoic acid.
sodium ethanoate beta.
Ethanoic acid.
Yes, sodium ethanoate.
No,
Same type of the product will be formed here. Sodium ethanoate. I am writing here just next to this CH3 COONA. ठीक है, ये फॉर्म हुआ था कल. प्लस व्हाट विल बी इवॉल्व? What will be evolved? Plus
H2O.
carbon dioxide plus
CH3.
water
water. H2O.
plus water.
H2O. Water.
हाँ जी. What was the name of this CH3COONA?
Sodium acetate.
Sodium
Sodium
Sodium acetate.
acetate.
Sodium
Sodium
acetate.
acetate. ठीक है. Sodium acetate. Right. And what was the name
Yes,
of
ma'am.
IUPAC name? What was the
Sodium
IUPAC name?
ethanoate.
Sodium ethanoate. Excellent. Excellent, Harshita. Very good. Sodium ethanoate. Right? So please now note down this reaction also. Acetic acid बार बार आएगा बेटा, because in carbon chapter we are going to study the properties of acetic acid. In that these reactions will again repeat it. So I am giving you practice from now onward so that you should be prepared well enough. And in exam also, question doesn't come that this question is from carbon chapter, this is from chapter 2. All the things are combined, connected to each other, so the question comes. This is your practical as well. So please note down this reaction and learn thorough. And in exam also, you should write the reaction and the product, major product name should be written in words for sure. For sure, then only you will get the marks, otherwise not. Beta, don't move because the reaction is written here. Noted? So I hope this
Yes,
topic
ma'am.
is clear. You can ask your doubt now.